Hi guys, I'm back. I'm gonna talk about the trailer for Duhundra, Duhundra, Aditya Dar's film. Yeah, the trailer is very impactful. You have the good characters introduction. Arjun Rampal's character. You have R. Madhavan's character in the film. You have Akshay Khanna, which he plays the Kasai, where he smacks. Yeah, that person in the trailer. माँ बहन कर देगा ये एक Akshay Khanna is looking very impactful with his look, and he's a apex predator. You have Sanju Baba of all time. Yeah, the his intensity and his look, and that scene सेक्स वाला जो बोलता है वो बंदा ट्रेलर में जब भी ऐसा पैदा होता है that kind of dialogue in the trailer. Yeah, Sanju Baba, I've been Sanju Baba's fan. संजू बाबा का फैन था मैं 90s के दौर में फिल्म ही वॉज फेवरेट एक्टर्स ऑफ माइन साजन देख लो चाहे खतरों के खिलाड़ी देख लो सड़क देख लो मर्दों वाली बात इलाका खलनायक कारतूस थानेदार he's been my fan. Sanjay Dutt has been my fan. Sanju Baba, एकदम धमाकेदार खतरनाक संजू बाबा and that dialogue why he speaks धोखा दिया मुझको मरने से पहले तुमको ये बना दूंगा something he said. Yeah, I have to see the trailer why he said the dialogue. Absolutely powerful impact. And yeah, Ranveer Singh's character wasn't that impactful in the trailer, which I was a little bit disappointment my side because Ranveer Singh is returning after 3 years. So the teaser was outstanding. घायल हूँ मैं घातक हूँ when he said on the teaser जब teaser आया था घायल हूँ तब तक मैं घातक हूँ. Yeah, the teaser was very impactful. Big, large. They showed about Ranveer Singh's character, and yeah, the free characters. You have Arjun Rampal's looking good. R. Madhavan with a cigar looking good. Akshay Khanna nailed it, and Sanju Baba as well. They all been my favorite actors. Arjun Rampal as well, and yeah, and Ranveer Singh. I hope that he creates impact in this film because in the trailer he just came and gone. It just little bit thanda response because Ranveer Singh, another actor I liked in Bollywood, who is coming back in after 3 years. So let's hope. And plus they had this new actress as well, the debut, Sana Arjun. Yeah, she was seen in between in the film. Yeah, she didn't. They didn't give the impact role, the character of her introduction. How was her role gonna be like? So they didn't mention anything in the trailer. So yeah, apart from that, it's a decent, very impactful, brilliant, fantastic trailer. You have all these characters in this film. So the question is, will Ranveer Singh deliver a good comeback with this film called Durandar? So let's hope and pray that Ranveer Singh delivers at the box office. पैसों की बारिश करे आग लगा रहे बॉक्स ऑफिस पर एंड ही हैज़ टू हैव अ धमाका. स्टोरी होनी चाहिए फिल्म में तभी ये फिल्म चलेगी. स्टोरी स्टोरी ज़रूरी है. स्टोरी होनी चाहिए इस फिल्म में. हैज़ टू बी गुड स्टोरी, स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टोरी टू क्लिक एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस. अगर स्टोरी नहीं हुई तो फिल्म कैन गो एडर वे. इट कैन गो एडर वे. सो स्टोरी होनी चाहिए. स्टोरी ज़रूरी है आजकल के टाइम में बॉलीवुड में. स्टोरी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If the story is not gauging, then the film is not gonna click. So, like I said, it's a very impactful trailer. Good introduction characters by Sanju Baba. Akshay Khanna has to be the best. Way he slams that person. हथौड़ा की तरह बच्चर की तरह काटता है जो भी करता है इस ट्रेलर में. He is very impactful. and you have R. Madhavan and Arjun Rampal. A very impactful introduction in the trailer. Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत I was disappointed with Ranveer Singh. उसका एंड में डाल दे, but उसका डायलॉग was good. आपका जो हो गया, मैं चलाऊं पटाखे, वो fireworks ट्रेलर में जो बोलता है एंड में रणवीर सिंह. But Ranveer Singh is looking fantastic. And the question is, will he deliver this film a blockbuster? Will he be a good, huge comeback for the actor? So let's hope. I hope he does. And because he's going to be facing off Arjun Rampal, you have R. Madhavan, plus he will be facing Sanju Baba and Akshay Khanna. These four characters in the film. So you left the main character out in the trailer. But like I said, I like Ranveer Singh as Bajiram Mastani, as Band Baja Barat. He was a wedding planner in that film when he made his debut. He did Befikre, which that film wasn't that great. Befikre, yeah. Ranveer Singh, I liked. I like him. But I hope this film turns out to be a successful film at the box office. Ditya Dar is the real Duhundrar. Duhundrar. Yeah, if I pronounce the name correctly, Duhundra. He's the real the title. It makes sense, and plus I like that background, the music at the end of the trailer. Yes, I like that song. It played end of the trailer. So yeah, the newcomer girl. I don't know if she is gonna be impactful or not in the film. The newcomer in Bollywood, if I'm not correcting, Sania Arjun, which I've heard. Yeah, the main thing is the this Armad one looking good. Arjun Rampal looking fantastic. Akshay Khanna has to be the best for me, and Sanju Baba has to be the Kharnaik of the Kharnaiks. Sanju Baba and Sarjan as well. I forgot to mention Sarjan. He was brilliant. Sanju Baba, Jai Vikranta. He did films like that. Maddo Wali Bhat. I've been a fan of him from the 90s. So absolutely धमाकेदार ट्रेलर. but रणवीर सिंह इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सा कम था, जितना होना चाहिए था उतना नहीं था ट्रेलर में. धुरंधर. सो ये 5 दिसंबर को आएगी फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस पर. सो आई होप रणवीर सिंह becomes the superstar in this film, becomes the greatest comeback in Hindi cinema. So let's hope for the best for Ranveer Singh, because I do like Ranveer Singh as an actor, and he's looking good in my opinion with his look in the trailer. Yeah, so let's hope how the film turns out to be at the box office, and how Ranveer Singh does in the film, because he's going to be facing these characters in this picture. So will be very interesting, and let's hope that Ranveer Singh delivers a box office hit at the box office, because I liked him in Bajirao Mastani film, and he did Ram Leela as well. Ram Leela, I forgot to mention Ram Leela as well. He did Bajirao Mastani. I liked him in Band Baja Barat and all that. He did Ladies versus Ricky Bell as well. जो लड़की को कौन करता है फिल्म डिफरेंट गेटअप बेस बदल के फिल्म में वो करता है लेडीज वर्सेस विकी बेल. Yeah, Gully Boy as well. He was decent as well. Plus, his singing as a rapster was brilliant in Gully Boy. So let's hope Dhurandhar becomes a turning point for Ranveer Singh's career. जो पटाखे करता है एंड में, जब तेरा हो गया मैं करूँ, shall I do this fireworks? Yeah, that was good as well. The dialogue delivery. Yeah, ekdam bawal, I would say. So yeah, it's a very good cutted trailer for Dhurandhar. So I want Ranveer Singh to deliver after 3 years absence, after a long while. I want him to deliver at the box office. एक खा जाए बॉक्स ऑफिस कर, सभी इसको कैरेक्टर को याद रखे कि ये रणवीर सिंह था, उसने ये कैरेक्टर को निभा रहा था. रेट ऑफ गॉड उसने निभाया ये कैरेक्टर किया इस फिल्म में. एंड ही हैज रेट ऑफ गॉड ऑन द ट्रेलर. रेट ऑफ गॉड बता रहे हैं उसमें. एपेक्स प्रेडेटर फॉर अक्षय खन्ना. संजू बाबा का भी ऐसा कुछ था. आई नीड टू सी अगेन. एंड या आर माधवन एंड अर्जुन रामपाल. Yeah, so it's very impactful, very decent, cutted, fantastic trailer, in my opinion. So yeah, this is the question: that will Ranveer Singh make a huge comeback with this film? Little bit I was disappointed, little bit ठंडा था उसका introduction in the film, because you're leaving the main actor in the film. You introduce all this other star cast in the film. Yeah, those introductions is good. And based on this पाकिस्तान जो भी है स्टोरी में है बता रहे हैं. सो जो है सो है. सो it's a good fantastic trailer in my opinion. And let's see how Aditya does with Ranveer Singh's character in the film. So let's hope ये बॉक्स ऑफिस खा जाए, ये धमाका करे, ब्लॉकबस्टर करे पिक्चर रणवीर सिंह के नाम पर. That's what I want for the actor, for the best for him. So yeah, I like the trailer, is fantastic. But रणवीर सिंह का जो मैजिक है वो थोड़ा मुझे कम लगा, मिसिंग लगा. लेकिन आई वांटेड रणवीर सिंह टू राइज इन बॉलीवुड, because he's coming back after 3 years now. 3 साल के बाद वो आ रहा है बंदा बॉलीवुड में ये पिक्चर में. सो या आई जस्ट वांट द बेस्ट फॉर द एक्टर and become a greatest blockbuster comeback in his career with Dhuandra. Yeah. So yeah, and that newcomer girl as well. Yeah, I've heard it's gonna be 2 part. I don't know is that true or not. पहला आएगा या तीसरा आएगा पार्ट. I don't know. This is rumor. पहला पार्ट आएगा फिर उसका सेकंड पार्ट आएगा. या वी हैव टू सी. ये तो वक्त बताएगा कैसी फिल्म निकल रही है. स्टोरी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, यही मैं चाहता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट कि स्टोरी अच्छी हो, फिल्म धमाका करे, ब्लॉकबस्टर करे एज वेल. सो या दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक ऑल दीज एक्टर्स. आई लाइक संजू बाबा, अक्षय खन्ना, अर्जुन रामपाल, आर माधवन एज वेल, and plus you have Ranveer Singh. So yeah, I like the trailer. Very brilliant, cutted, well made trailer. Yes, I liked it. So that's what I would can say, and hope for the best that Ranveer Singh का धमाकेदार blockbuster comeback हो इस picture में. यही मैं चाहता हूँ, because he's looking a badass. एकदम धमाका लग रहा है रणवीर सिंह with his look. It looks brilliant. His look is looking brilliant. I hope he delivers a box office comeback in Bollywood. So there you go. That's my honest reaction about this film ka trailer, Dhuandra, if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Dhuandra, yeah. So there, I liked it and I enjoyed it. Really enjoyed the trailer. It's like a mass action film होने वाली है ये. भरपूर मार डालेगा, मार खाएगा, जो भी है पिक्चर जीतेगा. रणवीर सिंह has to be good actor for me. He's not seen after 3 years. Like I said, we missed him in Bollywood. So I hope so this film nails it at the box office, and he nails it very well in Dhuandra film. So yeah, there you go. That's my reaction. 3.5 for the trailer. 3.5 I will give it for this trailer. Brilliant. So there you go. I will see you in the next one. Bye.